Hi everyone, it's Deb here, and I have a special guest with me who is my granddaughter. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are doing the Smash Our Stash collaboration video, and this month we were supposed to use sequins, right? So Haley made some pretty, we did a little bit of everything. We did some sequin art. You want to put yours down and show your sequin art? So Haley did a really cute ice cream cone. Now this is cut aparts from, I don't remember. Anyway, it was a summer cut apart thing, and this was her ice cream cone with butterflies and watermelon and pineapples as the sprinkles, right?
Yes, sprinkles, sprinkle, gummy, gummy.
There, oh, gummies, that's right. Gummies
Yeah,
and
gummies.
Sprinkles, that's right.
Gummies and sprinkles.
But her masterpiece, let me show you her masterpiece. It's the best thing we made. Well, she made all by herself. So this is another cut apart, and she made a fall scene with sequins and these little cardboard sequin animals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I guess these are cardboard leaves.
Yeah.
And a little porcupine and an owl, and then she colored a sun and wrote love and has sequins on both of them too. I love that one. That's so pretty. So that's her sequin art. And we'll just leave them right here for you to keep looking at. That's the best one though, guys. She put me to shame. And I just did another cut apart from summer, and it's the flip-flops, but I made a beach out of gold sequins and some clamshell sequins and these spirally waves and a spirally sunshine and a dove, which I'm pretending to be a seagull. Yeah.
Flip-flops too.
Flip-flops, yeah, just a little sequin on the flip-flops. And then I had these jelly bean soup shaker card.
I love those ones.
She loves this one, these ones, okay. I didn't, they're pretty. So yeah, I had dark blue sequins and some white and a little bit of iridescent, which kind of looks pink, and then this is retired Stampin' Up! Paper. I don't remember the name of it. But these were card bases that already had the shape cut out, and the shaker pieces from Jelly Bean Soup, and those had been gifted to me a while back. So I didn't do any sentiments yet or any decorations yet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. And this is the inside. They're just plain. I put a piece of white cardstock backing in there to be able to just show the white in the background. Shaky, shake, shake. So those are our sequin projects for the month of August in the Smash Our Stash collab. Thank you very much, Helper. And future crafter artist to be, right? And you can say bye. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.